interested. All right, so yesterday I was gone away from the markets all day, and yesterday was actually a pretty big day. I think part of the news was that Canada's bank reduced their interest rates by 0.25%, and I think that helped move the markets to the upside. I was not expecting that kind of day. Again, I was gone from my office and computer. So yeah, pretty big day. Really just kind of went up like this. It feels like it was a short squeeze. That's what it seems like to me. And part of what I was looking at when I saw this yesterday and then got back to my computer today and we were going to take some trade, I was like, I think this is going to at least take a break. I just don't see this going much higher right here today, being, Thursday. It just doesn't seem like it's going to go up. So I figured today's probably going to be a good day to sell some calls because I also don't know if it's going to go down. Now, it does turn out that some of the puts made some money, but not too much. I think the easier trade was selling some calls, so we did that. And if we come over here and looking at this, we even had Moxie signals. So for those of you who like to day trade, the Moxie indicator works very well for that as well. You can see there's your Moxie price trigger and there's your Moxie price trigger. So we started selling those calls right there. Worked out pretty well. Just had to wait a little bit longer, it went up, and then it just started to roll over, and look at that, just rolled over all day long. We sold, I think we sold half right there. And let me show you this. Here's what we did today. So we sold the 536, 538 call credit spread for 32 cents. We bought half of it back at 16 cents for a 50% gain, and that was right about there. And then it just kept going, which was fantastic. It just kind of kept sliding down, and so we sold the rest of it. Actually, we just bought back the 536 calls because the rest of it just goes to zero. We bought it back for 10 cents, so that's a 69% gain. And for me, that was a $2,400 day. So $2,400 that we made in, let's see, how much time was that? 9:30. So yeah, 7 to 9:30, 2.5 hours. Not too bad. Not too bad. $2,400 in 2.5 hours, and the market basically just faded. So that was pretty great. Anyway, yeah, this is the kind of stuff that I've been getting into and working well with, and just been doing this in the Moxie room. So if you guys are interested, come check it out. We've got, I think we might even have a sale still going, but otherwise we have the trial. You guys come on in. I am working on a class and building out some information as to how I'm doing this, because I'm the guy who's never traded options and didn't do this for a long time, even though I'm at Simpler Trading and everybody trades options. And finally I figured out a way that works for me that I think will resonate for the rest of you guys. And so if you're interested, come into the Moxie room. I'm going to be starting a class building this and telling you guys what really made this all change for me and how I'm able to start making really good money from this stuff. So anyway, hope to see you guys.